So today we will compare Sora 2 versus Sora 2 Pro. So many people don't even have the Sora 2 Pro, but you can get the Sora 2 Pro, generate better videos on Higgsfield. And on Higgsfield, as you can see here, you can use all these tools which are insane. Google, OpenAI, 2.1, Kling, also the image generators. But what I want to show you how the Sora 2 differs from Sora Pro.
Look at this beauty, huh? Fresh out.
And here's the video.
Like a jewel. Hey, get out of it! No, mine! Hey, back off! You feathery thief! Let go! Ah! Damn bird! No! Look at this.
This was the best video for Sora 2.
Tonight, baby! Shiny as a coin! Oh, hey, buddy! No, this ain't yours! Get off! Whoa! Hey, mine! Let go! Quit it! Get out! What's the phone? All right.
So now let's compare Sora 2 Pro on Higgsfield. So let's press play.
Look at that booty, huh? Hey, get out of here, man! Hey, whoa, shoot! Off with this crazy bird! Ah! Still got it! Not today, but whoa!
So this is the first video, second video for Sora 2 Pro.
Hey, look at this beauty, huh? Dinner for the night right here. Whoa, hey, no you don't. Get off, right, get off. Ah, you thief. Oh, there it goes.
So if we compare the videos, the Sora 2 Pro did a much better job because as you can see, this is a selfie style handheld video. And for Sora 2, basically the basic one, only one video did it when the basic camera was handheld, the whole video. For these two, as you can see, suddenly the Seagull attacks and no more, the video is no more handheld. As you can see here, someone else is filming it. Also the camera shakiness for the Sora Pro video is much more realistic. As you can see, it is much more shaky for both videos. So, and I basically asked for the AI that this is a low quality video. And if you see this is actually really low quality, and that's why it also makes this video much more realistic. People on Instagram or TikTok or wherever I want to post, they will not be able to figure out if it's real or if it's fake. Second video, we have pizza restaurant in Italy. Old lady is recording herself as she eats a slice of a pizza. In the background, you can see chef and waiter arguing and pushing each other. There is a chaos in the background while the lady is just enjoying the pizza. So, here's the video. So this is a well-made video, but for some reason they are arguing, but then they kiss each other. I don't know why, I didn't ask it for the prompt. But if you post this on social media, it could get even more views because they are kissing and it would make maybe a lot of views. But other than that, really well-made video by Sora, basically Sora. And let's go to Sora Pro.
Look at that crust.
Ma che fai? Sei impazzito?
Still warm, a little bit smoky.
Non mi toccare!
Oh, perfect. Best pizza I ever had, I think.
Vai via, dai!
And again, for Sora Pro, I think the pizza, the grandma talking looks much more realistic, like a real human. She's real expressive, like in Italy, people are real expressive. And in the background, you can see the chef and the waiter actually fighting and pushing, basically arguing with each other while basically the grandma is enjoying herself, laughing. So I think Pro again wins, and the best part about Higgsfield is that you automatically will get a basically Sora generation without watermark. Here you will see you will be able to enhance quality because you may know that for these Sora videos, if you zoom in, you will see that the whole video is like shivering or jittery. And you can see that there are some weird particles, but on Higgsfield, it actually does it perfectly and it removes all that weird AI jitterness and all that stuff. And again, it removes the watermark, and you can basically make up to 12 seconds. You can choose 720p or 1080p. There are much more things you can do. Also, you can choose from Sora 2 to Sora 2 Pro Max. That's why I use Higgsfield, because again you get so many tools. So the next video is here. Again, handheld video filmed with an old camcorder. A clown is chasing after you, and in the end he basically crashes in you and takes you to the ground. For some reason it basically goes through you in this first video. If we check the second video, I think there's some happens something similar.
Just give me an invitation.
So again, you go past the clown, there is another man or clown, and the problem is really easy. And in this video, again, he runs through you, and basically the video restarts. So now the Sora 2 Pro video.
Hey! Wait, just talk to me! I just want an invite! Get away from me! Gotcha! Just invite me to the party!
So as you can see, this is really a handheld, really shaky, and with old iPhone, and it all actually looks really bad quality. The camera is also really jittery, so here's the second video.
You forgot my invitation! I just want to celebrate with you! Let me come to the party! Stay back! Gotcha! Oh, we're gonna have...
So basically you crash the clown and he runs into a tree for some reason, but overall, again, I think this is much better than the basic Sora 2. But again, you can make so much with Sora 2. I think the Sora 2 Pro is just more realistic with the details and with the camera shakiness. I think it is much better. And for the fourth video, so here is a crowd in a music festival in USA just dancing and vibing, but the camera zooms into a dog and cat playing with each other on the grass.
Whoa, packed up there.
Yeah, but the vibe's good.
So this looks quite nice. The crowd looks realistic. The only thing is when you go into a crowds or you film the whole crowd, you will see that some of the people are just standing like they are frozen. And here is the Sora 2 Pro. As you can see, it looks more realistic. The people are dancing, moving, everyone on their own. They are not frozen. Maybe the cat is moving a little bit weird, but overall, Sora 2 Pro again wins in this situation. The one thing that I have found is that for Sora 2 Pro, it doesn't do as well with like abstract things. If you want to put a giraffe on a car or something like that, Sora 2 Pro doesn't do as well in my opinion. But if you look at ultra realistic videos filmed with iPhone, like real situations that could go like wrong or something weird happens, the Sora 2 Pro is really insane. And again, on Higgsfield, you can enhance the quality. It will be even better, like up to 4K. Here you can see you have Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2 Max, and Sora 2 Pro Max, and everything is basically described. Also, you get the Google Veo 3.1 right here. You get the Higgsfield. You can clone yourself. So I will basically show you. Here you can see you can create your own clone on Higgsfield, and the link for the Higgsfield will be down in the description. And you can make basically one-on-one copies with yourself in any style, in any situation. That's why again, Higgsfield is the main AI tool of my choice, because you can use all the video basically models or all the best image models. You get Seedream for free. You get Google Nano for free as well. So that's basically why I'm using. And again, in my opinion, Sora 2 Pro is the best, as I showed you in this video. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI videos like these ones. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.